Hey all, this is a quick video. Realized that I might have missed something. When you are working in the Finder, by default there are going to be some files which are hidden from your view that you can't see. And it's important when we're doing some of our installation stuff, and as you become more and more comfortable with your computer and you become more of a power user, some of the hidden files you'll actually want to be accessible, right? It's not important for them to be hidden from you because you're actually going to need to use some of them from time to time. And there are both hidden files as well as directories. And by default, in your root directory, right, you're only going to have these four files, right? System files, library, application, and then all of your users, right? But there's actually a lot more files in this root directory, and to get those to show up, what we need to do is we need to hit Command Shift and period. And once we've hit Command Shift period, we can actually see all these sort of lighter gray, and I'll go ahead and zoom in just so we can see it. These lighter gray files are the hidden files which are now visible to me. So these are going to be files and directories that you occasionally need to use. Me personally, I just leave them visible all the time. And if I need to find something quickly, I switch it over to a list and then I look alphabetically. So that is how we can switch between showing and hiding our hidden files. That is Command Shift Dot. So I wanted to make sure that I get this video in before the installation video, so you're able to find access to the files that you need to complete that work. We'll see you in the next video.